Hello, it's Willie and Anna with the Garcia real estate team bringing you another educational video.
That's right.
If you're a buyer who's currently looking to purchase a home, there will be a few expenses that are going to be incurred throughout the transaction. So we want to talk to you a little bit about those expenses.
Yes, and the first one would be your earnest deposit. Your earnest deposit can vary anywhere from 1.5% to 2% of the purchase price. And once we open escrow, that deposit goes straight into escrow.
Absolutely.
The other expense would be your down payment, and that can vary depending on your down payment, which can be 3.5%, 5%, 10%, up to 20%. It's whatever you're comfortable with.
That's correct. Another expense you would incur is a home inspection. If you're buying a home, we absolutely recommend that you inspect the house, and that fee could be anywhere from $200 to about $400.
That's right.
You have another expense, which is the loan appraisal fee, and that fee is typically anywhere between $500 to $600, and that's for a single family residence.
And lastly, there is a transaction coordinating fee. That fee is also third party, and that will take care of all of the documentation and disclosures during the entire transaction.
And that fee is anywhere between $300 to $400.
That's right.
So we hope that this video was educational enough for you to share to somebody else. We'll see you in our next video.
See you on the next video.
Take care.